Dear students, in the last video we have discussed the problems on sphere and the problems on cube. So in this video we will discuss the more important problems, that is problems on ladder. And the first question is, but in the problems of ladder there is no formula, only we know about the concept of Pythagoras theorem. We are studied in class 10th and class 11th. So I am going direct to the problem. Problem number 1 is appeared. Note the year in your notebook, that is March 2016, March 14 and then March 17. 3 times is appeared in your question paper. So the problem is a ladder 24 feet long leans against a vertical wall. If the lower end is moving away at the rate of 3 feet per second, full stop, find the rate at which the top of the ladder is moving downwards if the foot is 8 feet from the wall. So first write the given data. The given data here, that is solution. For this problem, for the understood, we have to write the figure. This is the vertical wall. This is the vertical wall, and we lays a ladder. This is the ladder. So this is the ladder, and this is the ground. This is the ladder. So this is the vertical wall, this is the ladder, and this is the ground. Okay. This length is noted as y because this is similar to the y-axis. So and this distance ground, that is called as x. Okay. First problem now odana. A ladder 24 feet long means a ladder na length kottidare, that is 24 feet. So I am writing 24 feet. This is the length of the ladder, 24 feet. A ladder 24 feet long leans against a vertical wall. Adanna ಒಂದು vertical wall ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, next. I am continuing here. If the lower end is moving away, lower end ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೋಯರ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಅವೇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆಗೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಎಳಿತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಳಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಥ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಬಂದು ಆ ಲೋಯರ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ if the lower end is moving at the rate of 3 feet per second ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so dx divided by seconds ಅಂತ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ obviously ಅದು dt ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. That value is equal to 3 feet per second. This is the given. I will repeat once again. The lower end of the ladder is moving away ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ x ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ dx divided by dt is equal to 3 feet per second. Next, find the rate at which ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು at which the top of the ladder is moving downwards. Obviously ನಾವು ಈ ಲೋಯರ್ ಎಂಡ್ ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಎಳೆದಾಗ ಈ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ y ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇದು ಡೌನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ y. Change in y. So we want dy divided by dt. dy divided by dt is equal to question mark. Next, top of the ladder is moving downwards. Next, if the foot is 8 feet from the wall, ಈ ವಾಲ್ ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫೂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಟು ಫೂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ x. The value of x is equal to 8 feet. X is equal to 8 feet. These are all the required results in a given problem. So mention this is the ABC. ABC is a right angled triangle. ABC is a right angled triangle, right angled at B. By the Pythagoras theorem, I am writing here, that is from the figure we have a figure na observe ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ this is the right angled triangle. In the right angled triangle, the Pythagoras theorem statement says that square of the hypotenuse sides is equal to sum of square of other two sides. Square of the hypotenuse sides is equal to sum of square of other two sides. By the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse sides ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ obviously AC ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So AC square is equal to AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Substitute all those values. Here AC is nothing but 24. So 24 square. AC square is nothing but 24 square is equal to AB. AB is y. ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. y square plus BC is nothing but x is nothing but 8. So 8 square. I understood the concept. AC ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ feet of the ladder 24 square. AB ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ y, a value ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So BC ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x, the value of x is equal to 8 square. So we want the value of y or y square. So y square na ಹಾಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, y square na ಹಾಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ is equal to ಇದಿಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So what is the value of 24 square? 24 square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 576. So 8 square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 64. Take 64 to the LHS side. It becomes minus 64. So y square is equal to 576 minus 64 ಆಯಿತು. So subtract ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is the value of y square is equal to 512 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 576 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 64 ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 512 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. y square is equal to 512. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we want the value of y. So y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. y ಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ writing here y is equal to root of 512. ಬರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. y is equal to square root of 512. Next, that value of y is equal to, for simplification, 512 can be written as 256 into 2. 256 into 2, we get 512. So I am writing root of 512 is equal to root of 256 into 2. So finally, the value of y is equal to, what is root 56? Root 56 is nothing but 16 into root. This is the value of y. So we get the value of y. For the ladder problem, first procedure is we have to calculate the value of y. Next, we have to calculate dy by dt. So, next step. Again from the figure we have. Again from the figure. Again from the figure we have. So, write the Pythagoras theorem. That is, the Pythagoras theorem says that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. In the first concept ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗಳು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗಳು. AC is called as 24. So AC square is nothing but 24 square. 24 square is equal to sir, what is AB? Here AB is y. Y ಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಟೇಕ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ y, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ AB ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ y ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ y square plus BC. Here BC is x. So BC square is nothing but x square. We get the equation, that is 24 square is equal to y square plus x square. Then differentiate with respect to, we want dy by dt. They are given dx by dt. So in the denominator we have a t is there. So differentiate the problem with respect to t. We get the derivative of 24 square. 24 is a constant. Their derivative is 0. Is equal to the derivative of y square with respect to t by using chain rule. Here y is called as dabba. So what is the derivative of dabba power n? N into dabba power n minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 into the derivative of y with respect to t is dy divided by dt. Similarly, plus write the derivative of x square. The derivative of x square is obviously 2x into x with respect to t. X with respect to t is dx divided by dt. So we want dy by dt. Simplify the equation. Take 2y into dy by dt to the left hand side. It becomes negative. That is minus 2y into dy divided by dt is equal to 2x into dx divided by dt. Here 2 are cancelled. So I'm writing here only. Here 2 are cancelled. We want only dy by dt. Here y is there. So take y to the RHS side. It becomes divided by x divided by y. Similarly, here minus is there. To remove the minus side, multiply negative on both sides. We get dy divided by dt is equal to first minus and multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so minus in the numerator we have x divided by y ನ multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ x divided by y ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ into dx divided by dt. So finally dy by dt ನ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. x ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. y ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. dx divided by dt they are given. So substitute all those values. dy divided by dt is equal to minus, what is x? X is nothing but 8 feet. So 8 divided by what is y? Y is 16 root 2 minus 8 divided by 16 root 2 into what is dx by dt? Dx by dt is 3 feet. So write the 3 in the numerator into 3. So here 8 ones are 8 ones are 8 twos are 8 twos are. Further number simplification. So the final result is dy divided by dt is equal to minus 3 divided by 2 root 2. Minus 3 divided by 2 root 2. And write the unit. What is the unit for dx by dt? Feet per second. Similarly, dy by dt is also feet per second. So minus 3 divided by 2 root 2 feet per seconds. Are you understood the concept? So finally, I am writing the results. Therefore, find the rate at which the top of the ladder is moving downwards. So writing the top of the ladder is suppose ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅಥವಾ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದಿ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಾಗ ನೀವು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ at the rate of minus 3 divided by 2 root 2 feet per second. The top of the ladder is moving downwards or moving, the top of the ladder is decreasing ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರೆಯೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. That is the result. Very important problem and very simple concept. Only we know the Pythagoras theorem to solve the problem. Okay, I will repeat once again. In the problem of ladder, first we have to calculate the value of y by using Pythagoras theorem. Then by using the Pythagoras theorem, calculate the dy divided by dt. Next, one more problem, that is problem number 2, similar to the previous one. And that problem is appeared in June 2016. The problem is a ladder 5 meter long leans against a wall. So same problem, previously 24 feet anta kottidru, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 meter anta kottidare. So first figure na ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಇದು ವಾಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ladder ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Here this is the ladder. Ladder is 5 meter long. 5 meter long. Next, a ladder is 5 meter long, leans against a wall. Okay, right? The bottom is nothing but here. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. Once again, this is the y and this one is the x. The bottom of the ladder is pulled against the wall, away from the wall ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Towards the wall ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ pull ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, away from the wall ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ pull ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ pull ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, x ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್. That is given dx divided by dt is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ 2 centimeter per second. 2 centimeter per second. Okay, next. How fast is the height on the wall decreasing? Here, top of the ladder. Obviously, ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಟ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, y ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. y ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we want dy divided by dt is equal to question mark. When a foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall, foot of the ladder is nothing but here. ಅದರದ್ದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, 4 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ x is equal to 4 meter. X is equal to 4 meter. So compare this problem with the previous one. In the previous problem, here 24 feet, here 3 feet per second. We want dy by dt. Here 3 feet. So in this problem, here 5 meter, here 2 centimeter per second, here 4 meter. What is the difference between these two problems? Here all the quantity are in feet. Here 5 meter ಇದೆ, 4 meter ಇದೆ, 2 centimeter per seconds ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. 500 centimeter. Similarly, 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter. 400 centimeter. ಇವಾಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇದು ಎ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಬಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ first step, from the figure we have by using Pythagoras theorem. The statement of the Pythagoras theorem is square of the hypotenuse side, it is AC square is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. Sum of the square of the other two sides is nothing but AB square plus BC square. So substitute all those values. Here AC is 500, so AC square is 500 whole square is equal to AB. Here AB is y, so AB square is y square plus BC is x, so BC square is x square, and the value of x is equal to 400 centimeter. So BC value is 400 whole square. So we want y square is equal to 500 whole square. 500 whole square is nothing but 25 4 zeros. 500 into 500. Next, take 400 square to the left hand side, it becomes negative. That value is equal to 16 4 zeros. So that value is equal to y square is equal to 2,50,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1,60,000 ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we get the result 90,000. If y square is equal to 90,000, then what is the value for y? The value of y is equal to 300 centimeter. Or y is equal to 300. Here in the previous problem, y is equal to 16 root 2. Further, no more simplification. Here is also y square is equal to 90,000 19,000, then square root of 19,000 is equal to 300. So once again, again, from the figure, we have, once again, we know the Pythagoras theorem, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Substitute the values. AC square, AC is 500, so 500 square is equal to AB. The value of AB is y. AB square is y square plus BC is nothing but x square. Next step is differentiate with respect to t. Why it is? Because of t. We want dy by dt and they are given dx by dt. That's why I am differentiating with respect to t. What is the derivative of a constant? 0 is equal to derivative of y square. The derivative of y square is 2y into the derivative of y with respect to t is dy divided by dt plus what is the derivative of x square? 2x into the derivative of x with respect to t is dx divided by dt. So take 2y into dy by dt to the left hand side. It becomes minus 2y into dy divided by dt is equal to 2x into dx divided by dt. Here 2 are cancelled. We want a dy by dt. So take dy by dt alone. That is dy divided by dt is equal to throughout negative sign na multiply ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. So minus x y ನ right hand side ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus x divided by y into dx divided by dt. So substitute all those values. dy divided by dt is equal to minus of, here x is 400 centimeter, so 400 divided by y is 300 centimeter, 300 into what is dx by dt? Dx by dt is 2 centimeter per second, so substitute 2. Here 2 zeros cancelled. So the value is, in the numerator we have a minus 4 into 2. What is minus 4 into 2? We get minus 8. Minus 8 divided by 3. Write the unit. Here dy by dt, sorry, dx by dt in the form of centimeter per second. So the value of dy by dt is also centimeter per second. And then write the result. How fast its height on the wall decreasing. Therefore the height on the wall decreasing at the rate of 8 divided by 3 centimeter per second. Sir, why you are not writing the negative sign? Because I mentioned decreasing ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಲ್ is minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. The rate of change of wall is ಅಂತೇಳಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So that completes the problems on ladder. These two problems are very important and very simple concept because there is no formulas here. Only we know the concept of Pythagoras theorem. So next concept is problems on a rectangle. This is the very important concept, and before that we are solving the problem as usual. we know the formula of rectangle. If the rectangle is of the form with the length x and the width y, then what is the area of the rectangle? Obviously, area of rectangle is x into y, length into width, so x into y. And then one more concept is perimeter. Perimeter is denoted by P. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? Here, perimeter is nothing but circumference. So, ಇದು x ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಕೂಡ x ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು y ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ y ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So from here to here x, here to here y, x plus y plus x plus y. So we get the result 2x plus 2y. Take 2 as a common factor. Then it becomes perimeter is equal to 2 into x plus y. 2 into x plus y. These are all the formulas. That is, area is equal to x into y. Perimeter is equal to 2 into x plus y. So we solved the first problem. The first problem is appeared in your question paper June 14 and March 17. And the problem is the length x, they are given length is x, of a rectangle is decreasing. They are given decreasing. The rate of change is nothing but either increase or decrease. They are mentioned decreasing. So length x change ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಗಿವನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಈ ತರ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, dx divided by dt is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ 5 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, -5 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ per minute. Similarly, the width y is increasing. Increase ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನ ನೀವು ಬರೆದಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. That is dy divided by dt. dy divided by dt is equal to 4 centimeter per minute. dt ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the unit of minute is t. So time unit minute ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. That's why t ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Next, when x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6, x is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter. These are all the given concept. Sir, what we have to calculate it? Now, when calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? First one, we should calculate the perimeter. So, first concept. The perimeter of rectangle is, we should mention the sentence. The perimeter of the rectangle is given by P is equal to 2 into x plus 1. So we want the rate of change of perimeter is nothing but dp by dt. So differentiate the problem. Differentiate with respect to what? So write the derivative. dp divided by dt is equal to, here 2 is a constant, take 2 as it is, into what is the derivative of x with respect to t, dx divided by dt, plus what is the derivative of y with respect to t, dy divided by dt. So we know the value of dx by dt and dy by dt. Substitute all those values. dp divided by dt is equal to 2 into dx by dt. dx by dt is -5. So that value is -5 plus dy by dt. Here dy by dt is 4. What we get, -4 plus 5 or 4 minus 5, we get -1. So dp divided by dt is equal to -1 into 2, we get -2. What is the unit for the perimeter? X is also in centimeter, y is also in centimeter. So the unit is centimeter per time. Time is in minute. So centimeter per minute. It is the unit of perimeter. So we get the rate of change of perimeter. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ perimeter increase ಆಗುತ್ತಾ decrease ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Negative ಇದೆ. Obviously decrease ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಏನಂತ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? therefore the rate of change of perimeter is ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, -2 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್, -2 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ second one we want the area of rectangle A is equal to x into y. Before that, write the sentence, that is the area of rectangle is given by A is equal to x into y. Then write the differentiation, that is differentiate with respect to x. The derivative of A with respect to x is dA divided by dx is equal to, in the right hand side we have a product of two functions, so differentiate with respect to t. Here is also differentiate with respect to t. In the right hand side we have a product of two functions, first one is x, second one is y. So take first function as it is, write the derivative of second function with respect to t, that is dy divided by dt. Similarly, plus write the second function as it is, that is y, and write the derivative of first function x with respect to t, that is dx divided by dt. So once again substitute all those values. dA divided by dt is equal to x is nothing but 8 centimeter, so x into, that is 8 into dy by dt, dy divided by dt is plus 4, so 4 into plus y is nothing but 6 centimeter, so 6 into dx by dt is minus 5. Write carefully, that is minus 5. So that result is equal to 8 4s are 32 minus 6 5s are 30. We get 32 minus 30 is 2. And what is the unit for area? The formula for area is equal to x into y. X is in centimeter, y is also in centimeter, so the unit is centimeter square per minute, because time is also in minute. So we get the rate of change of area. Therefore the rate of change of area is 2 centimeter square per minute. ಇದು increase ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಾ decrease ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಾ? Obviously increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Why? Because here positive is there. Very simple concept. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ. ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಏರಿಯಾಗೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗಿವನ್ ಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That is the simple problem. So similar to the previous one, and this problem is appeared in March 19. All the students mention the year in your notebook. It is March 19 and previous problems are June 14 and March 17. So first write the given concept similar to the previous one. Given here the length x of a rectangle is decreasing. Once again they are given decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per minute. So dx divided by dt is equal to minus 3 centimeter per minute. And the width y is increasing. So width y is increasing is nothing but dy divided by dt is equal to at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. So that value is 2 centimeter per minute. Next, when x is equal to 10 centimeter, and y is equal to 6 centimeter, So find the rate of change of, first one is a perimeter, second one is a area of rectangle. So first I am getting the perimeter P is equal to 2 into x plus y. Before that, we must write the sentence, that is, the perimeter of the rectangle is given by P is equal to 2 into x plus y. So differentiate the problem with respect to what? With respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. We get dp divided by dt is equal to 2 into, what is the derivative of x with respect to t? Dx divided by dt plus, what is the derivative of y with respect to t? Dy divided by dt. So substitute all those values. That is, dp divided by dt is equal to 2 into, sir, what is dx by dt? Dx by dt is minus 3. So minus 3 plus, what is dy by dt? Dy by dt is plus 2. Plus 2. What is the value of 2 minus 3? 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Obviously, perimeter is decreasing. So what is the unit? Perimeter. For the perimeter, formula is 2 into x plus y. So the unit is centimeter per minute. And write the result for the first one. Therefore, the rate of change of perimeter is minus 2 centimeter per minute, or in other words, the same result can be stated as the rate of decrease of perimeter is 2 centimeter per minute. Decrease ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. And the next step, similarly, we want area. The formula for area is equal to A is equal to x into y. So write the derivative. Differentiate with respect to t. The derivative of A is dA divided by dt is equal to, in the right hand side we have a product of two functions is there. So apply the product rule. Take first function as it is. The derivative of second function with respect to t is dy divided by dt plus, write the second function as it is, and the derivative of first function is dx divided by dt. So substitute all those values. dA divided by dt is equal to, so what is x? X is 10 centimeter, so 10 into, what is dy by dt? 2 centimeter, that is 2 plus y. Y is nothing but 6 centimeter. 6 into dx by dt. Dx by dt is minus 3 centimeter. So the result is dA divided by dt is equal to 6 into 2, 20, minus 6 3s are 18. What is 20 minus 18? 20 minus 18 is equal to 2. What is the area? Sorry, unit for area. Unit for area is centimeter square per minute. So we get we get plus 2, means it is increasing. Same results ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗಳು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆ. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೊಡಿ, ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಈ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. Therefore, the rate of change of area is 2 centimeter square per minute. 2 centimeter square per minute. This completes the problems on rectangle.